Dear students, today we are going to make a cocktail, and this cocktail is a classic cocktail, and the name of this cocktail is known as Bloody Mary. This cocktail is basically the vodka based cocktail. Here we would be requiring the 60 ml of an vodka. The brand name that we are using over here is called Belvedere. Next to it, according to the recipe of Bloody Mary, we would be using the fresh tomato juice. It is not the Tetra Pak one, it is the fresh one in order to retain all the flavor of the tomato juice. And here, as the recipe says, we are going to have 120 ml of an tomato juice. Next to it, very important ingredient is the Tabasco sauce. This Tabasco sauce, why it is called Tabasco sauce? Because it is made from the Tabasco pepper only, and it was first manufactured by Macallan Honey, Edmund Macallan Honey, and it is the country of the origin is USA, America. Next to it, we would be requiring dash of Worcestershire sauce, which is a kind of a sweet and sour sauce based on the soya only. Along with that, we would also be requiring the celery salt. But here, as we are not having the celery salt, so in place of that, either we can replace it with the normal salt or we can use it the rock salt. So here we have been using the rock salt only. Next to it, we would be requiring the ice cubes. As you know, in all the process of making the cocktail, we would be requiring the glass. And here the glass that we have been using is the old-fashioned glass. As far as its quantity is concerned, it is 300 ml, which is again approximately equal to 10 fluid ounce. So now let's start making the cocktail. In cocktail making process, first of all, we need to chill the glass. And here also, in order to chill the glass, we'll have to put some ice cubes. If we are putting 4 to 5 cubes of an ice, that would be enough. But in order to increase its chilling process, we will have to put some water into it. Now, as our glass is in the process of chilling, we'll have to keep it aside. And the next thing that we'll have to do is we'll have to prepare our garnish. Here, our garnish will be the lemon wedge and the stick of carrot. If carrot stick is not there, we have to basically use the celery stick. Whenever you are cutting any garnish, that particular garnish has to be always kept inside the water only. If you are not going to keep it inside the water, then the garnish will become very much dry and it will get discolored. So this is a carrot stick that we are going to use it as a garnish. Along with this, we would also be requiring the lemon wedge. We need to make a simple cut so that this part can easily be able to place around the rim of the glass. And these garnishes also, we need to keep it inside the water. As I told you, if you are going to keep it outside, then these garnishes will become dry and it will become discolored. Along with that, we would be requiring the lemon also, because here, as the recipe says, we have to put 10 ml of the lemon juice. So here we are not using the lemonade, we are not using any kind of a lemon juice which is bottled one. Rather than that, we would be going with the fresh lemon juice. Now the next process, now our glass is chilled. As you can see the frost around the surface of the glass. Our next process would be the rimming process. As I told you in the earlier video also, this particular thing is called the rimmer. In this rimmer, it is having three parts. This one is the topmost part, and this one is the middle part, and this one is the bottom one part. The topmost part consists of the slice of lemon. As you can see, in the middle we are keeping the salt, and in the lowest one we are keeping the powdered sugar. So here we are actually requiring the salt only. Now our glass is rimmed with salt. As the process of making this particular cocktail, the method is called the building process. Here we'll have to build all the cocktails over the ice only. So let's see what all the methods are there in this building process. What all the stages are there in this building process. We need to put the ice cubes first. And why this process is called building process? Because after putting the ice cubes, the rest of the things or the rest of the ingredients will have to put on the top of it. Now I have placed enough of the ice cubes. Now it is a time to pour the pre-measured vodka. Here again we are using the Belvedere brand, and the quantity of the vodka will be 60 ml only. Fine. So just after putting the vodka, next is we'll have to squeeze the lemon juice. Half of the lemon would be more than enough. After putting the lemon juice, the next step that comes is the dash of Tabasco sauce. This Tabasco sauce is very spicy, so while putting it, you will have to take an extra care. Next is the WC sauce or Worcestershire sauce, which is basically the soya-based sauce. And next would be our tomato juice. One thing always keep in your mind, while pouring the tomato juice, you will have to mix it very well. If it will not be mixed properly, then automatically the pulp will remain at the bottom and only the liquid portions will come at the top. As the recipe says, it should be 120 ml. Next is we will have to put the garnish. Here the garnish is carrot stick. Along with that, we will have to place the lemon wedge just around the rim of the glass. So before actually serving it, let's taste it. We need to stir it properly. If you are not going to stir it properly, you will not be able to understand what kind of the flavor you are going to have. Yes, perfect. So this is our classic cocktail by the name of Bloody Mary.